Alright, what's up YouTube? We got 2020 Obsidian football draft picks. Just got this in. We've been excited about it. We've been waiting on it. I actually just started another video and had to restart. So anyway, they're still sealed. We ordered these on the Panini website. $150 a box, which is pretty steep. Only 6 cards this year. Had 7 last year, although it wasn't the collegiate version. 50 card Obsidian draft picks base set. We get first off the line box. Looking for the ultra rare downtown collegiate football insert. So anyway, we're pretty excited about it. We just started collecting cards and we haven't hit on much. This is our first high-end, I guess you could say high-end product. You know, we've mostly been getting draft pick contenders and prisms, and spent a lot of money, and so far this is the best card we've gotten I've spent a lot of money. So it's like a scratch-off ticket, man. You just never know what you're gonna get. 10 to 20. That's a pretty sweet card though. So I mean, anyway. So yeah, we started taking it off, and let's get rolling and see what we got. We need a win here. Alright. Looking for a Joe Burrow, Tua, Jonathan Taylor, so the packaging was a little better last year, I thought. Much more fancy. This year you got, you know, one less card, and anyway, here we go. So first up, we got a Shea Patterson, numbered to 15. It's pretty sweet. Right off the bat, look at that. We got our boy T. Higgins. Nice. That's a keeper. Let's see what we got here. 30 of 99. That is a sharp looking card. So yes. We got Cole Kmet, Jared Pinky, Xavier McKinney. So numbered to 59 of 99. 1 of 15. Seven of 10. Nice, pretty limited run there. And our last card, base card. $83 to 99, of 99. So nothing major, but beautiful looking cards. What you think?
Yes, sir.
But we did get that T. Higgins in, so
jersey auto.
That's really sweet.
Yeah.
So that's it for box 1. Slide those over here.
That's a sick card.
Hopefully T turns out to be
Really good player.
an awesome player.
We got our boy. We got an auto of our Clemson boy.
Hopefully this box is a little better because no major players in that first box. Okay. 33 of 49. KJ Homer. Our second card. We got a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. .48 of 99. Devin Duvernay. .34 of 49.
Autograph patch.
Nate Stanley. We got a quarterback, Brian Lurk. What do we got here? 92 of 99. And Eno Benjamin. 81 of 99. So that'll do it. After shipping and taxes, $328 later, this is what we got. So if you think it's worth it, you know, you roll the dice. I mean, like I said, it's like a scratch-off ticket. But being Tiger fans, you know, we're stoked to have that tee. So there we go. That'll do it for Obsidian Football 2020.